In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an easy way to pass some data from a shortcut into a shell script action. Shell scripting is a way to interact with a Mac at the command line level. You can give it a set of text-based instructions to carry out operations. I've pre-populated my shortcut with a list of 3 items. You may recognise these as some of the names of the standard system sounds on Mac OS. And what I want to do is to choose the name of a sound and have a shell command play the sound for me. My first job is to add a choose from list action to let me choose which sound to play. The next action I will add is a run shell script action. I'm going to set the shell to ZSH, the Z shell, which is the default shell for most Mac users these days. Next, I'm going to change the echo hello world instruction to an instruction that will enable an audio file to be played. The bit before the space tells the Mac to run an audio file player application. The part in quotes afterwards is just the file path to the audio file. So I just need to add the name of the AIFF file to be played using a magic variable. Now I can choose the sound to play and play the sound. Shortcuts grows more powerful with each release, but the command line as an automation tool should never be underestimated. Shell scripts actually share a lot of commonality with shortcuts, and the option to combine them easily just makes them both that much better. Until next time.